Siri's trying to talk to me. Siri, go away.
I'm not sure I understand.
Go away.
Did I do something wrong?
Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I have a box, and guess who it's from? Don't actually look, because you probably have no idea. It's from Casemate! And guess what's in it? Pillows. Just kidding, it's phone cases. But yeah, I'm super excited to open this and look at all these awesome phone cases. So, let's open it. Ooh, it's phone cases. Oh my god. Okay, so when you open it, this is what it looks like. There's like some black fuzz, and it has my name. It's a secret. I'm not telling you. The first thing, world stopped. It's a color changing phone case. It color changes with your mood. So if you're like mad, it's gonna be like the mad one. Oh my god. Can you guys see this? Let's see what mood I am. So blue is active, upbeat, and motivated. Light purple is lovable, serene, love-struck. Dark purple is romantic, and pink is warm, affection. Okay, so let's put my phone in it. I realized there was a paper on it, so it probably wasn't working like totally the right way. This is so cool. This is the coolest case ever. Okay, so this is like the coolest case ever, and then the outside is like shiny. Okay, so here's the box. It's really cool looking. It's really easy to get it out because you just pull and then the phone case is there, which is really nice because where most cases it's like all packaged up and stuff, and then it's really annoying and hard to get out. And then the back just says all the moods. Okay, so time for the next case. It's a squishy phone case. Oh my god. This is my dream. Okay, so here's what the box looks like. So there's a little thing so you can squish it. And it says glitter, calming touch, resistant. And the buttons are metallic. Okay, so let's take this off. Is that satisfying or what? Oh my god. What is going on? I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my phone. It's so squishy. Okay, so this case is amazing. This is so satisfying. Like, a lot of kids who bring their phone to school, you can be like if you're all stressed over a test or something, not a test, because then you're cheating. But like, if you're all stressed, you can just walk down the hallway and be like, squish, squish. Oh, this case is two-piece. There's the outside border and then the like squishy part. This is probably my favorite case so far, even though the last one was pretty cool. Oh my god, it's a lava lamp case. Okay, this is too cool. Guys, this is like the coolest thing ever. So it's dynamic lava lamp effect, shock absorbing, anti-scratch technology, and metallic buttons. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Are you guys seeing this? Guys! This is so cool! This one's also a two-piece case. How does that even happen? This is like oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so, and then to make it even better, the buttons on the side are pink. Like, life can't get any better. This should like win an award or something for like the best phone case. This is like super, super, super cool. Like, I don't even know. Moving on to the next one. Oh my god! This is a detachable phone stand. It's a dog. So these are called stand-ups, and I think there's other designs, but they have little like rubber things on their feet, so they like stick, and then there's one of these on the back. So you hook it onto the back of your phone. You usually put it on your phone case, but I just stuck it on my phone. And then it'll hold your phone up. And I love that it's detachable, so I can decide if I want it on or not. Yeah, it's so cute. Yeah. Yeah, he's pretty awesome. So my overall favorite phone case would probably be the lava lamp one, just because it's like so cool. But I love them all so much, and they're all so unique and so different from any other phone case I've ever seen. So if you guys want to check these out, you can find them in most stores or on their website at case-mate.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see from me next and which case is your favorite, or the puppy dog, or whatever you like the best. So yeah, love you guys so much. Bye!